Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be looking at the deals of the week at Walgreens. I hope everybody survived the snowstorm. So they've got deals on drinks. They're 3 for $15.99 if you want to check out the Coca-Cola 12 packs. And I'm just going to be highlighting a few of the deals that are going on. So deals of the week include the Dove, earn 6 in-store rewards when you buy 3, and as always, the toothpaste and Oral-B and Crest rewards are there as well. If you're interested in Head and Shoulders, they have a promotion. It's a part of the deal of the week, and also the buy one get one free for the drinks, the Canada Dry and 7-Up. Now for the nice select nuts, they're $2.99 and it's $2.49 for General Mills cereal. And there's a really good deal on the Angel Soft Brawny Dixie or Quilted Northern household products. They're $5.99 and you can earn $3 in store rewards when you buy 2. The deal of the week on the laundry detergent is 3 for $7.49 or $4.99 each for the Arm & Hammer laundry care. For the Gillette or Venus cartridge razors or razor systems, they're also on promotion, and there's also a $3 off online coupon. If you need diapers, you can get 2 for $21 or $14.99 each for the Huggies diapers. Also, for the Bounty, Charmin, or Puffs paper products, they're $5.49 and you can earn $5 in store rewards when you buy 4. It's also a buy one get one mix and match on Walgreens vitamins and supplements. And then there's also a buy one get one 50% off on Walgreens allergy, cold and flu relief, or immune support. Now back to the snacks, you can earn an extra 20% off of $40 on select grocery and beverage household items using the code JAN20, and that's an online only deal. There's the 2-pack Walgreens COVID-19 antigen test if you need that. And also there's buy one get one 50% off on Walgreens moisturizers. So that's lotions and products such as petroleum jelly. For the Botanics or Soap and Glory Cosmetics and Skincare, it's buy one get one 50% off, and it's buy one get 2 free on the Home or Walgreens disposables, and that's the paper plates, the paper cups, or the tableware or storage food bags. Next, we're moving right along to the Pet Shop Pet Supplies, 2 for $8 or $5.99 each. And the nice whole or roasted almonds are $4.99. If you need a shipping item, it's buy one get one 50% off for the Wexford mailing supplies. For the Nature Made supplements, it's buy one get one free and you can mix and match. Buy one get one 50% off for the Oregon Vegan Protein Powder or shakes. And for the Premier Protein, it's 2 for $20 or $12.99 each. For the Vital Proteins dietary supplements, it's 20% off. And if you're into the Boost nutritional drinks, it's buy one, get one 50% off as well. If you need to stock up on allergy meds, this may be a good time. For the Claritin, it's $4 off. And for Zyrtec, there's also a promotion going on. It's $21.99 for Zyrtec allergy relief, but you can earn $5 in store rewards when you buy 2. For Delsum or Mucinex, it's $17.99, but you can also earn $5 in store rewards when you buy 2. And also for the NyQuil, it's 2 for $26 or $13.99 each for Children's Vicks, Dayquil, NyQuil, or Sinex. Now for the Allegra, there's a $4 off online coupon for the 90 count, and for the Allegra D Relief, there's a $5 off online coupon. Also, if you need the Halls cough drops, they're 2 for $13 or $7.99 each. Now moving on to pain relief, they have the Advil pain relief for $10.99, and then the Advil targeted relief cream, and there's a $4 off Walgreens coupon for that. Also for Aleve, it's $11.49 or $13.99, depending on which one you pick up. We're still in the beginning of the year, so there are some promotions on Nicorette if you're trying to kick a habit. So they have the Nicorette nicotine replacement. It's $12.99, and there's a $3 off online coupon. And then they have the Nicoderm CQ or Nicorette nicotine replacement. And these are the patches. They're clear, and they are buy one, get one 50% off, and there is a $15 online coupon. The cortisone 10-inch relief is buy one, get one 50% off, and Vaseline Healing Jelly is buy one, get one 50% off. Moving on to home health care, they have the 2 for $32 or $19.99 each, and that is for Depend guards, shields, or underwear or poise pads. And you can earn $10 in Walgreens rewards when you buy 3. There's lots of coupons available. It's a 6 off of 2 for the online coupon. For Always Discreet, there's a $3 off 2 online coupon. And for the Poise, there's a $6 off 2 online coupon as well. And to wrap things up, if you or your family members aren't feeling well, there's the 2-pack FlowFlex RSV COVID plus flu AB combo test. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.